How to hard reset Tecno Camon 35G. Forgotten password factory. Reset Step 1. Power off the device. Press and hold the power button, then select power off to turn off your phone completely. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. Simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons. When the Tecno logo appears, release the power button but continue holding the volume up button. Step 3. Access recovery options. If an Android robot with a no command message appears, release the volume up button. Then, press and hold the power button and quickly press the volume up button once to enter recovery mode. Step 4. Navigate to factory reset. Use the volume down button to scroll to wipe data factory reset and press the power button to select it. Step 5. Confirm the reset. Scroll to factory data reset and confirm by pressing the power button. Step 6. Reboot the device once the reset is complete. Select Reboot System now using the power button.